Now, in a despicable incident that has emerged from Uttar Pradesh cops dumped a dead man's body in a garbage truck. The incident was reported from Mahoba district. The body of a 50-year-old man was dumped in a garbage truck in the presence of his son. The man had fallen ill after returning from Delhi. He used to work as a labourer in the national capital. The man died soon after reaching the hospital. An inquiry has been ordered and the state administration says responsibility will be fixed. My colleague Alok Pandey joins us on the phone line. Alok, absolutely shocking visuals right there. What details can you share with us at the moment?
Well, so there are two aspects to the story. One, that you have already spoken about, the fact that this 50-year-old man's body was dumped into a garbage truck for the journey to carry out his last ride. The incident has taken place on Saturday at the district hospital in Mahoba. That's a district in the state Bundelkhand region and is about 250 kilometers from Lucknow. As you point out, a senior police official in Mahoba has said that he has instructed the concerned official to investigate the case within 24 hours. The video that we can see shows, two policemen taking and dumping the body at the back of a garbage van. And there is a senior policeman also who seems to be instructing them on how to do it. It's also crucial to note that the son is also there, and that is where the other aspect of the story comes in. Now, the police, sources in the police are saying that that the family of the man is also to blame because they initially had refused to take charge of the body after his postmortem was conducted at the postmortem house at the district hospital in Mahoba. They say that it took a lot of persuasion from their side to get the son to actually come to claim his father's body. And when they asked him to arrange for a vehicle to take the body for the final ride, it is he who got this garbage van from the local municipality. He arranged for it. That is the version, but this is not on record from sources in the police. Now, the son has not said anything of that sort on record. He says that his father had returned from Delhi. He was a labourer there. He fell ill. Once he fell ill, he was actually rushed to the district hospital where he died before he could be treated. The man had symptoms like fatigue, body pain, etc. I mean, you could argue that some of them were symptoms of COVID, but as far as I know, there was no COVID test that was performed on him. Nevertheless, this is what seems to have happened, and the administration is saying they'll carry out an inquiry within 24 hours.
Thank you so much, Alok, for those details and for clarifying both sides of the story. We'll be tracking all the developments very closely with you.